Hey, what's up you guys? If you're going to be towing a trailer with your Nissan Frontier, you're going to need trailer wiring. It's required by the law. So let's go ahead and break down that install for you. Alright guys, we're going to start over here on the driver's side of the vehicle. Now, right next to the spare tire, Nissan makes it super easy for us. They have two plugs right here and right here. And these plugs are already pre-wired, so we're going to go ahead and take our trailer wiring harness and plug those in. Usually these two plugs have a cap onto it, but our vehicle does not. So if yours does have the cap, you'll just push down on the tab and it will let you take that cap off. And once you have the cap removed, right, now we're going to go ahead and mount our 7-way wiring. Now our kit does not come with a mounting bracket, so we're going to go ahead and use the tow ready 7-way mounting bracket, part number 20212. And on the hitch right here, it has a welded plate with the holes pre-drilled for our mounting bracket. All right, we're going to go ahead and use our provided screws with the mounting kit. And we'll go ahead and loosely put that into place. And using a 10mm socket, we'll go ahead and tighten those up. And then we'll go ahead and take our 7-way housing and we'll put it in and plug in the harness from behind. And we'll go ahead and line up our holes and use the rest of the provided hardware to hold the 7-way into place. And now we're going to go ahead and take the remaining loom and zip tie it to clean it up. Alright, so to get power to our 7-way wiring, we're going to need to plug in our relays. Our relays are located on the passenger side right underneath the glove compartment. So we're going to go ahead and remove this trim paneling to gain access to that. Alright, we're just going to pull up on this trim panel right here. And then we're going to pull out and set that aside. A little further up on the passenger side flooring, we have a little black plastic screw that we're just going to twist off by hand. All right, now we're going to go ahead and pull out our tab, and we're going to pull out this way, and it has these two clips on top and on the bottom. And as you can see, after we take off that panel, we have all these harnesses. Ours is the one at the very top right here that nothing is plugged into. So we'll go ahead and take our relay harness and we're going to go ahead and plug that in. All right, with our relay harness into place, we're going to go ahead and put our relays into position. Now we're going to take the two blue ones and we're going to put it in the two white spots on the harness. And we're going to take the brown one and match it up with the brown. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and take the protective tape that was included with the kit. And we'll go ahead and wrap it around our relay to help protect it. And we'll repeat that on all the other relays. Okay, now with our relays in place, we're just going to tuck this behind the rest of the wires. And now with them hidden, we'll put back our panels. Alright guys, with our relays in place, our 7-way is now fully functional. Thank you for watching our video. Have fun, be safe, and enjoy the outdoors.
To learn more about the products seen in this video, or to schedule an installation by U-Haul Hitch Professional, Visit us online today at uhaulhitches.com.